Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and check this out. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the holiday seasons all have one thing in common. It's a time of the year when you get some of the best tech deals. And it's also the time of the year when your family and friends are really looking forward to getting some cool gifts. So if you're buying something for yourself or your family and friends, I'm going to show you a few gift ideas that you should consider, and I'm absolutely sure that you will get some really good deals on these because a lot of these products is going to be on some steep discount. Please check the links for the discounted prices in the description section of this video. Alright, let's get into it, and the first thing on this list is smartphones. So the phones on this list are the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the OnePlus 10 Pro, and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. These are some amazing smartphones. The S22 Ultra has a really fast and powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm processor, 8 to 12 gigabytes of RAM, 128 up to 1 terabyte of UFS 3.1 storage, a really large 6.8-inch bright, beautiful AMOLED 120Hz HDR10 Plus display that is probably one of the best in class displays right now. It also has one of the most impressive quad camera lineup on the rear. Not to mention, this comes with an S Pen built in, discounted right now for about $989, coming down from $1,199. The OnePlus 10 Pro is also being powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and the Adreno 730 GPU, and depending on where you're shopping from, you can get an 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 up to 512 gigabytes of super fast UFS 3.1 storage. You get a bright, beautiful 6.7-inch WQHD LTPO Fluid AMOLED 120Hz HDR10 Plus display that is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. Now, Oxygen OS has always been one of the main reasons why I keep coming back to a OnePlus phone, and that is because of how fluid and efficient it looks and feel as far as animations and overall daily use. Not too many smartphones can come close to this kind of performance. The 10 Pro also has a great camera lineup. This thing supports 50-watt wireless charging with the official OnePlus 50-watt wireless charger. For some context, the wireless charging of the 10 Pro is much faster than the fastest wired charging speed for some phones like the S22 Ultra, Pixel 7 Pro, and even the iPhone 14 Pro. As far as speed and efficiency, there's not too many phones that can come close to the OnePlus 10 Pro, discounted right now for about $549, coming down from $799. This is a serious steal for one of the best smartphones on the market right now. A quick heads up, if you purchase the 10 Pro during this Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, you can get up to 85% off on the Buds Pro or the Buds Z2. They sound amazing. The Buds Pro was one of my favorite daily drivers, and in my opinion, this is a really great deal. So the Pixel 7 Pro has been one of my favorite flagship smartphones that I've used since the start of this year. And trust me, I've used a lot of flagships. Not all of them, but a lot of them. And this one stands out. Google came in really hot with a beautiful, vibrant 6.7-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED 120Hz HDR10 Plus 1500 nits peak brightness display that still looks good under direct sunlight and even while I'm wearing my favorite polarized shades. Powered by the brand new Tensor G2 5nm processor with a Mali G710 GPU. This chipset is not only powerful, it also makes the 7 Pro one of the smartest smartphones on the market. Try saying that 5 times in a row. But on the real though, you're getting some of the best AI and machine learning money can buy right in your pocket or the palm of your hands to do some amazing things, which also includes improvements with the photo and video quality. There is an 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, 128 up to 512 UFS 3.1 storage option on Android 13 out of the box. There's no secret that the Pixel phone line probably has one of the best-in-class cameras of any flagship smartphone in North America right now. The 7 Pro, in my opinion, is one of the best Pixel phones that I've ever used. This has their brightest, prettiest, and smoothest display, their fastest and most intelligent chipset, and one of the most impressive camera hardware lineup on a Pixel phone to date. And the video and photo quality are the best in class. Discounted right now for about $749, coming down from $899. I would say cop the 7 Pro or the regular 7 if you don't want that telephoto lens. But just in case those phones are out of your budget, here are some budget recommendations, rapid fire style. The Galaxy S21 FE is a really good phone with a solid set of cameras and a lot of the Galaxy S21 characteristics, priced at $576. The Google Pixel 6a is basically the previous Pixel 5 flagship camera with the newer, more intelligent Tensor chipset, along with all the benefits that come with a Pixel phone, priced at $299, coming down from $449. Massive saving and a really good deal in my opinion. The Poco M4 Pro 4G is a budget banger with a good overall performance, plus it can game like a champ, and also comes with a decent set of cameras, priced at $205 at the moment. But keep your eyes open, this could drop even a little bit lower on some markets. Alright, earbuds and headphones. Everything used to be about sound quality, but now the focus is on noise cancellation and ambient sound. So here are a few of the ones that I've tested personally and can recommend with varying degree of confidence to their abilities. The OnePlus Buds Pro has a really nice fit in my ear, good sound quality, and a relatively good noise cancellation and ambient sound mode. Price at about $79.99, coming down from about $149.99. If you want a similar performance minus some of the premium perks for an even cheaper price, get the OnePlus Buds Z2 for $49.99, coming down from about $100. Be on the lookout for the Soundcore Space 840 active noise cancelling earbuds. At the time of doing this video, there's no official discount price, but I suspect there will be a really steep discount. It has great sound quality, an amazing active noise cancellation and transparency mode, priced at about $99 right now. One of my favorites from this year is the Soundcore Space Q45 adaptive noise cancellation headphone. Let me break it down like this. It has an amazing audio quality. Trust me, I was really surprised when I listened to it the first time. Active noise cancellation is next level. The transparency mode is also really good. Plus, it checks almost all the boxes that is important for a headphone in this price class needs these days. 50 hours of music playtime, app customization and EQ settings, really premium feeling materials, and it's definitely competing with some of the best from Sony and Bose. Price is about $149.49, but watch out for discounts on these, definitely coming. The AirPods Pro is always an easy choice for Apple fans, but if you're really serious about audio quality and you want something a little bit more premium with a next to audiophile kind of performance, then do yourself a favor and get the Master and Dynamic MWA True Wireless Earbuds. The one that I have here is the black ceramic with the matte black case, looking really elegant. MWA has an amazing sound profile along with some deep, rich, resonating bass, a lot of mid-range clarity and presence, and some really refreshing highs. I seriously enjoy the hell out of these whenever I'm not listening to my regular audiophile IEMs. Active noise cancellation and transparency mode is really good. To be honest, it's not as good as what you would get from something like Sony or Bose ANC series, but it's not really a deal breaker, and it will still get you about 75 to 80% or more of the results. The price is about $299. These hardly ever go on sale, so whenever you see a deal, jump on it immediately. But I still recommend it at a current asking price. If you're thinking about a smartwatch, there's a bunch that I can recommend that I have right now, but the two that I'm gonna highlight is the Google Pixel Watch and the Amazfit GTS 4. The Pixel Watch has a very elegant, minimalist look and feel with a really interesting 3D form dome 1.2-inch AMOLED display. It's also a really beautiful display. At 41 millimeters, it might look a little bit dainty on some larger wrist, but it is packed with all the bells and whistles that you can find in some of the best-in-class smartwatches on the market. 5 ATM rating, which means it can handle pressure depth of up to 50 meters and fitness tracking, a step counter, a built-in compass, an altimeter, blood oxygen sensor, multi-purpose electronic sensor, ECG, optical heart rate sensor, and an accelerometer, a gyroscope, and an ambient light sensor. You name it, this thing has it. Plus 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, Wear OS 3 with full Fitbit integration. The model that I have here is the LTE version for about $399, but you can also get the Wi-Fi version discounted right now for about $299, down from $349. This is one of the best first generation smartwatch I've ever used in my opinion, and it's definitely worth checking out. The Amazfit GTS 4 really made an impression on me, and that's because it's offering so many premium features for such an affordable cost. Dual band GPS, 150 sports mode, heart rate, SpO2 scent monitor, a beautiful 1.75 inch AMOLED display, compatible with Android and iOS, powered by the Zepp OS 2.0, which means you may not get all the seamless app integration like the Pixel Watch, but it is a really good smartwatch that can help you reach your fitness goal if you're on a budget. Price on this one is $159.99, coming down from $200. Now, this is the part of the video where I'm the most excited. For the real audio lovers like myself who like to listen to your music in the highest fidelity for a quality experience, you should definitely be on the lookout for the Earbuds 880 Iris Audio Certified active speaker system. The sound quality and audio performance from the 880 is crisp and detailed, and I immediately understood once I started listening why they combined the 4.5 inch mid-woofers with these horn-loaded tweeters. And that is because it offers excellent clarity in the highs without being too sharp or fizzy at the top, even at higher volumes. The mid-range is really impressive in how it handles instrument and vocals. Now, the 880 is not tuned for bass heads, but the bass is really impressive in how it brings each track to life. It is deep, rich, and resonating, especially with certain genres. It can have a lot of impact. But the key feature that makes this so important is you do have the option to have a subwoofer out of your choice via the subwoofer out port that comes with this model. If you're an audio lover, I seriously think that this should be at the top of your list if you're thinking about getting yourself some bookshelf speaker. The price is about $699. Be on the lookout for any discounts. I highly recommend this one. If $699 is out of your budget, then the Edifier R1700 BTS is a really good alternative to the Earbuds 880. It might not be as powerful, refined, and detailed as the 880, but the sound delivery and performance is really clean and enjoyable with a lot of dynamic range and some really tight, rich bass. I honestly enjoy listening to music on this one. Plus, it also gets a subwoofer out port in this model, and it's priced for about $200. Be on the lookout, you might see some discounts on this one. Now, if you want to impress your friends and show them that you're on the bleeding edge of technology, get yourself the ShareGeek Storm 2 Slim 130 watt 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. This is one of the most futuristic looking portable power bank that I've ever seen, and it's seriously powerful too. The transparent see-through design shows all the inner workings, plus the bright colorful IPS screen give you all the charging stats. It will definitely turn some heads and spark a lot of conversation. Priced at $199. Keep checking back these links as I update the discounts. This is the Nixie Tube clock in the mocha, marble, and ash from Milk Clocks, and this one is my favorite clock I hold right now. So it is a fully electronic clock in a vintage analog design made from tube lights that gives this sense of elegance and a sense of nostalgia to any space that you put it in. This is the perfect gift for your husband or boyfriend for them to put on their desk in the office or in the living room because it's such a great conversation starter. It comes in a couple different designs, so you can choose from that. You can cycle through a few different RGB hues with sound cues as you toggle toggle through the settings. The one that I have here is priced at $299, but there's an endless choice that you can choose from of different style and designs. This is one of my favorite products of all times. I'm going to be updating the list and the link down in the description as more of these deals start rolling out. So keep checking back as often as you can to see what I've discovered. I'm also going to be hitting up some of these brands and asking them what kind of deals are they rolling out. So I'll definitely drop some links to some of those also. Please hit the like button on your way out. And let me know down in the comment section which one of these products spark your interest the most. I can tell you my favorite, but let me know which one is yours. Also, click right here to get subscribed and check out one of these other videos that I made for you.